All right, we're back again. Let's try this again. This time I'll try to keep a better handle on this thing. Came off real easy during rehearsal before I turned on the camera. All right. Look at all that corrosion. Nasty. Oh no, man, my handle broke. I just want to live. I just want to make a video. Well guys, thanks for tagging along and watching me change a battery in this car. And like I say, this covers maybe about the 2006 to 2009 years, and you might want to double check me on that, but I hate to steer you wrong. But yeah, it's a really simple project, and make sure that you go easy. The battery's a little heavier than they look. All right, you guys, don't forget to subscribe and comment, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.